Still skipping breakfast or grabbing something unhealthy on the go? What if I told you that just one of these 7 globally trending breakfasts could boost your energy, support weight loss, and keep your gut happy, all in under 10 minutes? Stick around. Your mornings are about to get a healthy and delicious makeover. Welcome to Natural Healing Hub, your go-to channel for healthy living, natural remedies, and wellness inspiration. Today, we're sharing 7 of the world's most loved, easy, and healthy breakfast ideas that not only taste amazing but are also packed with the nutrition your body needs to start the day strong. From gut-friendly options to high-protein meals, there's something here for everyone. 1. Overnight oats. Gut health and weight loss. Ingredients: rolled oats, chia seeds, almond milk, berries, honey. First up, the internet's favorite, overnight oats. It's rich in fiber, supports digestion, and keeps you full till lunch. Mix 1/2 cup oats, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk, honey, and top with fruits. Refrigerate overnight and enjoy chilled, creamy breakfast. Health tip: chia seeds add omega-3 south and help regulate blood sugar. Avocado toast with poached egg, protein and heart health. Ingredients: toasting bread, mashing avocado, poaching egg, sprinkling seasoning. Second, we have the classic avocado toast with egg, packed with healthy fats and protein. Steps: toast whole grain bread, mash avocado with lemon juice and pepper, top with a soft poached egg. Add chili flakes or seeds for an extra kick. Health tip: great for lowering bad cholesterol and boosting brain function. 3. Greek yogurt parfait, gut health plus muscle support. Ingredients: layering yogurt, berries, granola, honey. This colorful treat isn't just pretty, it's a probiotic powerhouse and great for muscle recovery. Steps: layer Greek yogurt, granola, fresh berries, and drizzle honey. Optional: sprinkle flax seeds or almonds. Health tip: helps strengthen immunity and supports lean muscle. 4. Smoothie bowl, antioxidants, blending bananas, spinach, berries, almond milk. Want something cold, fruity, and detoxifying? Try a smoothie bowl. Steps: blend 1 banana, 1/2 cup frozen berries, spinach, and almond milk. Pour into a bowl and top with coconut flakes, seeds, and nuts. Health tip: rich in antioxidants, great for skin, metabolism, and reducing inflammation. 5. Vegetable omelet, brain and muscle fuel. Chopping veggies, beating eggs, cooking omelet. Next is a vegetable omelet, loaded with vitamins, proteins, and iron. Steps: whisk 2 eggs with salt and herbs. Sop bell peppers, spinach, onions, then add eggs. Fold and serve with a slice of toast. Health tip: boosts metabolism and supports brain health. 6. Mixing chia seeds with almond milk, storing, adding toppings. Steps: combine 3 tablespoon chia seeds with 1 cup almond milk and a touch of vanilla. Stir well and refrigerate overnight. Add fruit and nuts before eating. Health tip: helps control appetite and inflammation. 7. Quinoa breakfast bowl, complete protein plus energy. Cooking quinoa, adding bananas, nuts, cinnamon. Finally, a quinoa breakfast bowl, perfect for vegetarians needing a complete protein. Steps: cook quinoa in almond milk, add banana slices, cinnamon, and nuts. Sweeten with honey or dates. Health tip: keeps you full longer and balances blood sugar levels. These 7 breakfasts are not only healthy and trendy, but they also reflect what people around the world love to eat in the morning. Let us know in the comments which one you'll try first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more natural health tips every week. Join the Natural Healing Hub community, where wellness meets simplicity.